social justice is measured now with a new platform that was developed by the International Living Future Institute called JUST. And the JUST label is a very simple, easy to read nutrition label for social justice. The JUST label includes measurements on such criteria as diversity, worker benefit, local benefit, worker happiness, all of these important factors, again, that relate to the relationship between the company and their own employees. Elegant Home Tech, which is one of our primary suppliers in China, is a very progressive company. And in fact, we have had a relationship with them for several generations of the family members that own and run this factory. And in fact, we view them as an extension of our family. So we work together, and we have an employee, Simon Jha, who is a liaison between my team and the factory. And he is bilingual, in fact, which enabled him to translate very lengthy existing human resource policies that the Elegant Home Tech factory already had. This JUST label, which is the very first for China, definitely it will have a ripple effect, not just in the flooring industry, but even beyond the flooring industry. First of all, our second supplier, known as Yiwa, has also decided to pursue the JUST label, and that was recently issued. So we've already seen how it's spreading throughout the flooring industry in China. We are really very proud of being one of the first manufacturers that has gotten involved in JUST. And the more companies that do get involved, the greater the positive impact will be, both on the local level, the factory level, for example, as well as the communities where the factories are located. And I'm also thinking globally, because we do operate in a global economy, and we just see this positive impact as affecting all of us.